In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find duplicates in Google Sheets. Whether it's managing a large data set or simply checking for repeated entries, understanding how to identify duplicates can be crucial for maintaining data integrity. Today, we'll go through a straightforward process using Google Sheets' built-in features, which will only take you about 5 minutes. First, let's begin by opening your Google Sheets document. If you haven't already created the sheet, you can start a new one or simply open an existing document that you want to work with. It's important to have your data ready so that we can easily demonstrate how the duplicate function works. Once your sheet is open, direct your attention to the top menu bar and click on Format. This menu is your gateway to various formatting options, which can help in visually organizing and analyzing your data within Google Sheets. After clicking on Format, a drop-down menu will appear. From here, select Conditional Formatting. This option allows us to apply specific formatting styles to cells that meet certain criteria, which is exactly what we need in order to highlight duplicates. With the Conditional Formatting pane open on the right side of your screen, you'll see an option labeled Apply to Range. Click on this to select the range of cells where you'd like to check for duplicates. Be specific with your selection. Highlighting the entire column or just the rows you're working on can help in narrowing down the data you'd like to analyze for repetitions. Next, under the Format Rules section, look for the drop-down menu and choose Custom Formula Is. This will allow you to insert a formula that identifies duplicates in your selected range. In the formula box that appears, enter the formula. Ixki County FAA A1. 1. This formula will check each cell against all other cells in the specified range to see if there are duplicates. Make sure your formula references the correct column by replacing AA and A1 with the appropriate column letter if needed. Once the formula is in place, you can customize the appearance of how duplicates will be highlighted. Click on the Formatting Style section to change the highlight color. Choose a color that stands out clearly, so duplicate values are easily noticeable at a glance. Finally, when you're satisfied with your settings and selections, click on Done to apply the conditional formatting rule. You'll now see any duplicates within your specified range highlighted in the color you chose, making them easy to identify and manage. There you have it. You've successfully set up Google Sheets to automatically flag any duplicates within your selected data range. This method not only saves time, but also ensures your data remains accurate and free of errors. If you have any more questions or tips you'd like to share, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and happy data organizing!